Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video for my junior students, my class 6 students who are watching all these series of videos, in order. And this is the topic of ordering integers and number line. So whenever the topic of integer, this is introduced to the students, they need to be really careful and they need to ascertain that they are learning all these concepts very thoroughly because these concepts of integers, fractions, number line, they form the basis of so many future topics also. So ordering integers and number line, this is the topic for today. Even if you are preparing for any type of competition, these series of videos which I have been posting, will prove very, very beneficial to all of you. If you want to practice this concept after watching the video, ordering integers and number line, then you can download the 60 question practice PDF, which I have already uploaded and the link of which is given in the description below. So just click the link here and you will be able to download that particular practice PDF, because without practice, only watching the video is not going to help. And also we have lots of best offers going on right now because summer vacation is coming and we know the students are looking for very attractive stuff to practice. So we have the ebook of short tricks in which we have over 350 short tricks, 338 neatly typed pages, video support also given in the short trick ebook. So if you want your child to excel in calculations and calculate 10 times faster than others, then this ebook of short tricks is for you. The reasoning course, you need to develop reasoning ability right from the school level. The blood relation questions, the seating arrangement and the direction sense, coding, decoding, analogy and all. So many topics are there which you have to do right from the basic level. This is something we are working on very hard. CBSE practice worksheets, so that my class 6 to 10 students, they get lot of material to practice from. And if you want to have a comprehensive practice, then these worksheets are going to prove very beneficial. You will not find a better collection of these questions, anywhere in print form or on the internet. So WhatsApp 9896369963 if you want to get a copy of all those worksheets. You can visit www.sureshagarwal.in to download some of them, and you can choose from a wide variety of PDFs available there. To download the 60 question practice PDF, I have already told you the link is in the description. So let's see the concept in hand today. Representing numbers on a number line. So if you know that a number line basically is, it's like a line on which the integers are represented, but we only write the integers, but it's not that only the integers can be represented on a number line. We can represent decimals, we can represent fractions also on a number line. So usually what we do is we write a 0 in the middle of the number line, and on the right side of the number line we write all the positive integers. That is the basic convention followed. So at equal distances, at equal spaces, we write the positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, like this. And at equal spaces towards the left of 0, we write the negative integers, that's -1, -2 and so on. So you can go on and write as many integers as you want. It basically depends on how many integers are required to be written according to the question given to you, and that's how you need to make the number line. Number line can also be made on a graph paper where the equal spacing is already mentioned there. So if you can use a graph paper to draw the number line, it will be amazing. So I have written some numbers here which are to be represented on the number line. Just see +4. +4 means you have to move 4 steps towards the right of 0, and this is +4. That is the point at which you have +4 on the number line. And likewise, if you have negative number, -13, so you have to move towards the left, because negative sign shows that you are moving towards the left of 0. So if you move 13 steps towards the left of 0, you are going to reach this point, and this point is the point -13. So positive numbers on right side of the 0 and negative numbers on left side of the 0. That's the basic convention of a number line. So having understood, what the number line is, we can get on with some other questions like this. if we have to write all the integers between two given integers, just like minus 46 and minus 39, if I want to write all the integers between them, I will start from, see, minus 46 is on the extreme left, minus 39 is towards, little bit towards 0, right? Now from minus 39, if you see minus 39 here and minus 46 here, between that you will have minus 40, minus 41, minus 42, minus 43, minus 44 and minus 45. These are the 6 integers which lie exactly between minus 39 and minus 46. And likewise, write 4 even integers, that's the keyword there, immediately to the left of minus 3. Just see, this is 0, and now suppose here we have minus 3. So what are the integers on the left side? It's minus 4, minus 5, because we are moving towards the left, so it will be more negative. So minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. So he wants us to write 4 even integers immediately to the left of minus 3, even integers. An even number is like 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? So minus 4 is towards the left and it is an even integer. Then minus 5 is odd, minus 6 is even, minus 7 is odd, minus 8 is even, minus 9 is odd, and minus 10 is even. So these are the 4 integers, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 and minus 10, which are even integers immediately to the left of minus 3. That's how you need to understand the integers on a number line. Let's see this question. Can we use the number line to add the integers? Yes, we can, but the integers have to be less in magnitude. You cannot add like minus 1240 and 4874 on the number line, because it's very difficult to represent those huge integers on the number line. So if the integers are less than 10 or even 11, 12, 13, we can add them on the number line itself. So suppose we have this number line and this is 0 here, and here we have minus 1. So in the first question, he asks us to add minus 1 and then add minus 3 to that. So whenever you add negative integer, you have to move towards the left. How many steps? 3 steps. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. So this is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So I have reached minus 4. And then again you have to add minus 5, so you need to move 5 more steps towards the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you will reach here, this point. And what is this point? Minus 4. After minus 4 you have minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. And therefore the value of this expression is minus 9. Likewise, you can add the second one also. If you draw a number line and you start from 0 here, you have minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 2. And he wants us to add plus minus 7 to the first integer, that is minus 2. So you have to move 7 steps towards the left, because it is negative 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. And here we go, minus 2 plus minus 7 is actually minus 9. What happens when you add them? Like if you have to add minus 3 plus 7, you can start with minus 3 and then you can move 7 steps towards the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you are going to reach 4, and therefore the answer for minus 3 plus 7 is going to be 4. Very, very useful concept for junior students, because they need to be very sure that they know all these concepts so that they can progress through the chapters without any obstacle. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all the school students, and do not forget to download the practice PDF or send me a message on WhatsApp. 9896369963 is the number to get hold of the detailed practice PDFs of all chapters of class 6th, class 7th. We have 8th, 9th, 10th and 10th also. Do subscribe the channel for getting notifications of all the future uploads, and you need to click the bell shaped icon. That's very important, you know. So friends, Thanks for watching this amazing video. I hope this will benefit you a great deal, and all the best for whatever exams you are appearing in.